Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I like to create my signature vintage waves. Start by sectioning off the layer of hair that you're going to work with. Now this is an advanced technique, so I recommend that you know how to use a curling iron before you try this. I'm going to take my hairspray and I'm going to spray the first layer. This is the Sebastian Shape of Face hairspray. And then I'm going to take my curling iron. This is a 1-inch BabylissPRO, but you can use any size curling iron you'd like. Now start by taking the first section here. I'm going to open my curling iron, then I'm going to twist the hair once and wrap it around once. Twist again and wrap. Twist again and wrap. Twist again. Until you got it all in. Hold it there for a few seconds and then slide it off the hair. Then I'm going to take the next section. Again, I'm keeping it open so my thumb stays on the handle here. And then I'm going to twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist. Last section here, twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. Now if you can't get the last few hairs in, just kind of turn the curling iron so you can get them in here, and then you're going to slide it off. Now before you do anything else, you're going to let this cool. You might want to work on the rest of the hair first before you finish this off. And then once it's cool, there's two things you can do. You can either take a hairbrush and just brush out the curls. I'll show you on these two. And you get these gorgeous soft waves. Or you can take a comb and you can tease the sections. I'll show you here. And this actually lets it hold really nicely. And then I'll tease in the middle here. And then I'll tease over here. And I'll tease, and I'm kind of like combing it as I tease a little bit too, so you get that softness. It breaks up this spray and the set. And then I would spray it. If I'm doing like this, I would spray it and let it really set like that. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please follow or subscribe.